This was a pretty expensive mistake on my part. The yoke broke on the baler. This is what it looks like. I've pulled it all apart already. But this is the piece that broke this yoke here. Now, the good thing about that is it's still available, although it's a 40-year-old baler. The bad news is it's $530 just for this piece here. I'm going to replace the dogs as well. They're still available. I think they're $30 each. So yeah, not good. The reason why I never greased it in 5 years is it was missing the grease nipple. So this has not been greased in I don't know how many thousands of bales. Completely my fault. I greased everything else except for this one, and that's the price you pay. Good thing about that is, well, the good thing about it is that this did break right at the end of the season, so, well, more or less. I did most of my bales that I need, 1,200 bales, and yeah, looks like it needs a bit of a clean too. So, looks like I've been neglecting the maintenance on this thing a bit, and I'm paying the price now for that. So my recommendation is look after your gear better than I do. It's a good baler, but you do need to take care of it and grease it every now and then apparently. Otherwise it breaks down and not cheap to fix.